To use Scan2OCR, also called Background OCR, you must first have it installed in your scanner's software options. In ScanWizard, the OCR button should be enabled immediately, tucked away in the toolbar's second row. To use Background OCR, switch to Job Mode. Background OCR only works with PDF files. Before scanning, ensure your file format is set to PDF. To start the Background OCR, tap OCR Start. This can be done at any point in the scanning process. The scanner will then process your documents for OCR, indicated by these icons. You'll know Background OCR is finished processing when every icon in the image list displays a check mark. To use Background OCR in Batch ScanWizard, create or edit your scanning job. Select the Image Files tab. Select any of the searchable PDF options. To finalize these changes, click Open or Create. The Background OCR process is automatic at this point. Continue your scanning job like normal.